I'm excited about today's video. Now, if you are a vet when it comes to installing wigs and you've been in a lace wig game since the early 2000s, then you probably already know that this is an option, but not many companies actually offer it. Wig comes from Afsisterwig. We're going to install this later on in today's video. This wig will be linked below in the description box for you guys, and I will also put a discount code. If you want a discount on any of their wigs on their website, you can always use my discount. And plus, they also have summer sales going on. So if you are not able to use my code, you can definitely use their codes. It's already on their website. So I'm excited about this. A lot of people have been asking me, can I get my wig cap customized to my head size or the kind of cap that I want? Afsisterwig now offers that for you guys. Let's say you see the wig in today's video, but you are worried that the size will be too small, too big. They now have customization options that you can add to customize the cap. Of course, you want to take measurements. I will talk about that in a second. They also have added a feature too where you can choose what cap you want. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the invisible full lace wig, but if you don't like that cap, you can easily change the cap to any cap that you would like. Full lace, 5x7, 13x6, 13x4, full lace with straps, full lace without straps, invisible strap, whatever you want, they are allowing you guys to now get customized. Now, if you check the links in the description box, you will see the customization link. And in the side of that link, you will see different things you can do. Price that's on those are temporary. Again, the price that's on that is temporary. So even if you see the cap $10, that is not the final price until you choose your length, your hair texture, your curl pattern, your non-curl pattern. So that will be added at final customization. So basically what you would do is you would add those to cart, or email you and ask you for more details on what you would like in your wig. So you get to tell them everything you want, specifically how you want it, and you get it done. Whether it's the hair color, whether it's the length, whether it's the actual cap, whatever, the lace color, just click the link in the description box and you'll see all the customization options that you have. If you are confused on how to measure your head, I will put a picture on the screen where you can actually see how you are supposed to measure your head for your cap size. So this customization is great for anyone who has an extra big head to an extra small head. I don't want to hear nobody in the comment section asking me, well, do they do an extra small cap? Do they do an extra small cap? Yes, they do. If they do an extra large cap, yes, they will. So in order to get the cap to your size, you will need to measure your head, of course. Get a measuring tape just like this. You want the soft measuring tape, and see the picture that's on the screen. You would use the measuring tape that looks like this in inches, of course, and measure in the way that you see on the screen. And this is very important only because if you don't measure correctly, of course, your cap would not fit. Now, if I can give you all a little bit of advice, over the years, I have got my cap the size of my head. Now remember, take into consideration your hair grows. Sometimes your hair, you may not be able to get to a salon to get it braided down, so it may not be as flat as you want it. So I always leave space in my cap. My head size is 21. I always go for a 22 just because I need a little bit of space. When you're doing any of these measurements, you do not have on any wigs. You have your natural hair. Also, when you're measuring from front to back of the head, make sure you give yourself a little bit of length in the back of the nape area for how far down the cap will fall. So if you have hair going all the way down your neck, try to go a little bit, just a little bit to that or past that, so that you can get some room back there so that your cap won't be too short and you will be able to pull it up. This customization for cap size is a huge game changer because if you have an extra small head or extra large head, most caps that are on the market now that are sold within 2 to 3 days are just medium-sized caps. So you're settling for something that does not fit. This is a huge game changer. Afsisterwig is offering a 10 to 15 days customization time. So it will need customization time. All you have to do is just be patient because it's important. Of course, they still have wigs on their site that are just regular cap sizes. You can get the standard cap size within the same time that you normally get it. But if you would want all the customizations that I just talked about, it is a 10 to 15 day process. We're going to jump right into today's video. I'm going to show you this wig from them, invisible elastic strap lace wig. Show you the difference between the full lace cap. Let's jump right into it. All right, so let's take a look at this wig straight out the box. Color customization also. This wig is just a natural black color. For the purpose of today's video, we are just going to work with this color. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. This is the invisible full lace cap, and it has the invisible strap. So this is the invisible strap. This one gives you room to pull it up into a ponytail without having a bulkiness in the back. And they put these in here, but you can take them out, of course, if you don't want them. If you wanted a full lace wig that's a glueless cap, the full lace glueless cap looks like this. This is the older wig that I have. So this is the full lace glueless cap, and as you can see, it has a thicker strap in the back. Of course, the cap does not come with any wefts. Neither one of these caps, of course, have wefting in there, so it's all lace on both caps. The only difference is with the glueless full lace wig, you get this strap here. And this is so that you can wear it without glue if you don't want to, but this strap can also be a bit bulky, but it does give a good secure, you know, fit. And with the invisible strap, of course, it's invisible, so it's more comfortable, it's not bulky, and you can pull this up without gluing it down in the back. So there is one more full lace wig that you can also get, and that one is the full lace without the invisible strap and without the adjustable strap. So the two straps that I showed you that is an option for the full lace wig, there is a cap that doesn't have any in the back at all. I will put a picture right here on the screen, and that is the original full lace wig. Now, if you want that particular wig, remember that you will need to glue your wig down completely if you don't want it to hang off your head. You have 3 full lace cap options, and all of them serve for different purposes. I want to do a pull test for you guys because some people have told me that their straps have broken, and I have not had that issue. Okay, I don't know what y'all be doing, but let me show you. All right, so let's do a pull test. You just take this string here. You see the little ball at the end. You will use that to keep it secure. But I just pull my strap, and look how much I'm pulling this. It's not popping. Like, and I'm pulling very hard on this to scrunch it where I want it to be. And you can scrunch it as much as you want. Like, look. So this very durable, very, very durable. So I wouldn't offer a cap that isn't. And to secure it, of course, you take the little ball piece at the tip. What's the break right now? I'm definitely going to show you guys. You just pull that piece down so that it can secure. There you go. You can just secure it in place. And that way you can unscrunch it and you can scrunch it back with no problem. And this will make your cap fit secure in the back. So as you can see, like, you can pull the heck out of this thing. And it's not popping. It's not like a rubber band, of course. It's a little bit more durable. All right, so now when I go to put my wig on my head, it is super tight. Oh my God, this is tight. I don't think I've ever pulled mine this tight. So let me remove this extra lace, but I just wanted you all to see what the lace and everything look like straight out the box before I cut it, before I do anything to it, the hairline. Yeah. Even though it's a full lace with the invisible strap, you can still wear it without glue. I haven't glued it down, and like I said, that strap is pretty tight and secure. You don't need to glue this down if you don't feel comfortable with glue, but I would highly recommend, if you're pulling your wig up, to put some type of glue at the front, at least so that your wig won't just slide off your head. I've seen that so many times happen to people. And look at that, just that fast, an instant style. No glue, the lace is gorgeous. I'm just trying to flatten down the parting. This hair is so gorgeous on this wig too. This is definitely, to me, like 180%. So this is what the hair looks like. This is about 20 inches. This hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the straight texture. So I feel like it's been a while since I applied a straight texture camera. Sorry about the blurriness, y'all. My camera acting stupid. What the length look like. Let me show you guys what the back. Now, if you want to see how I have styled invisible strap wig, I have 2 videos already on this where I show you guys how to easily put it up, style it, everything. I will pop those videos out at the end of this video so you guys can have them. But this is what the back looks like. It's very comfortable in the back. You can pull it up and don't have to worry about the bulkiness. So you can do a high ponytail, you can do a half up, half down. Say now, they did put a comb back of the nape. Some of you was like, oh, I'm worried that I might lose my hair. Well, I don't think it's going to happen that fast, to be honest, but the comb is great because that scrunch part will raise up if you do not use that comb. So the comb is to help you be able to secure that back so it won't move. Again, everything will be below in the description box. Be sure to check the links, the customization links, the links for this wig, and I will also throw in some discounts down there. And I appreciate you guys coming back for today's video. Stay tuned and come back for my next video, and I will see you back then. Mwah.